Hello and welcome, and today I'll be showing you how to make this iconic British dessert. It's an indulgent strawberry dessert known as the Eton Mess. We begin by preheating the oven and then lining a large baking tray with parchment paper. We're going to start with the meringue first, so we're going to break up 2 eggs and separate the egg whites into a mixing bowl. Using a hand mixer or a whisk, we now need to beat the egg whites, and we continue until they begin to stiffen. And we need to measure out 1 cup of caster sugar. Now here in the US it's known as baker's sugar. It's just a finer version of granulated sugar. So add a small amount of sugar at a time and continue whisking until all of the sugar has been incorporated. And by the way, if you can't get hold of caster sugar where you are, I would suggest that you use granulated sugar and put it through a blender for a minute, and that will make it fine enough for you to use. Once the meringue mixture is stiff, use a spoon to dollop it onto your baking tray. And you should get around 12 meringues. Then bake on the bottom shelf of your oven for about an hour. And while the meringue is baking, we can get to work on the strawberries. Wash and chop the strawberries and then split them into 2 equal amounts. One half is going to be used as topping and the other half is going to be used to make the strawberry sauce. Then into a small pan we're adding in 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, 1/2 of those chopped strawberries, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Bring the mixture to a boil, and once it's boiling turn the heat to a low and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Allow a few minutes cooling time and then transfer the mixture into a blender and blitz until you have a smooth sauce, or you can use a hand blender in the pan. And now we're going to prepare the cream topping. So into a large bowl we pour in 1 pint of heavy whipping cream and 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Whisk until the cream begins to thicken. When it can hold its own shape, it is ready. Now that the meringues have cooled, we can break them up, and the best way to do that is to put them in a sealable bag and with the back of a heavy spoon just break them into small bite-sized pieces. And now that all the individual components are ready, we're going to assemble our Eton Mess. You can use any glass or glass dish for serving. And we begin with the layering. Start with strawberry sauce, and then the crumbled meringue, a layer of cream, the chopped strawberries, and then finally a drizzle of the strawberry sauce. Now legend has it that it was invented during a cricket match at Eton College when a dog jumped onto a picnic basket, destroyed the strawberry pavlova, and the cricketers, not wanting to waste it, scooped it up and ate it anyway. True? Not sure. Certainly a good story. Enjoy, and thanks for watching.